Okay, here's how you lift a Chevy Bolt. The front lift points, there's two of them. The first one is this round part right here. I'm not going to use that because I have a lift and it doesn't contact it fully like I want. So I'm going to use the second point that Chevy recommends, which is right here. So you'll be able to see this little block right there is the spot to put your jack, okay? Now in my case, you can either use these fancy rubber things, but honestly, 2x4s, 2x6s, they work just fine, okay? So here, I make sure it's under there, centered, right there, okay? And then we'll go to the back. Then in the back, there's also two lift points. The rearmost one is right here. See where that bolt is? Right here. This whole area. I'm not going to use that because, again, my lift doesn't contact that point. So I'm going to use the forward spot that Chevy recommends, which is, again, just like the front, right behind these little four bolt things, right? Or two bolts. See that bracket? It's right up under that right there. So I'll take my little puck here, little rubber puck, just put it right under there, and boom, that's right where you lift it. Safely, you don't have to worry about hitting the battery or any components like that.